Travel companions, in this video, we'll explore one of 5 days from a Rome itinerary. Let's begin. Day 4 in Rome. Today, we woke up excited to explore a picturesque area. We will cross the Tiber River and head to Trastevere. And let me tell you, we discovered a magnificent fountain on this tour. Don't miss it. We walked calmly to enjoy crossing the river and to take some photos from there. We were just over 2.5 kilometers from our accommodation at Piazza del Parlamento. As you can see in this tour of Rome, we're using our legs a lot, we're walking all the time, and using very little transportation. First, we'll stop at Santa Maria del Quarto Church. If you have time, look inside. As I said, Rome's churches are beautiful and free, but with so many, visiting them can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm pointing out a few specific ones for those who want to visit them. Now we're heading to the lively area. Bars and restaurants in Trastevere. Trastevere sits on the Tiber's west bank, south of Vatican City, and its name means across the Tiber. Walking through its winding streets will lead us to a small square with a beautiful fountain, and right in front of it is Santa Maria in Trastevere, the most important church in the area, and very beautiful. I won't repeat what I've said, but let's take a look inside it. Trastevere. It's one of those places you'll discover as you walk through it, and in every corner, you'll find the charm of the area. Here, we find another church, Santa Maria della Scala, and an old pharmacy beside it. Just a few steps separate us from part of the wall and the Settimiana Gate, one of the gates of the Aurelian Wall. From here, we'll start a walk, an ascent to the Gianicolo hill, and there we'll discover a beautiful fountain and a very good viewpoint. We have around 700 meters left, but it's uphill. We've arrived at the Acqua Paola fountain. The Grand Fountain, or Acqua Paola Fountain, is a monumental fountain on Gianicolo Hill, near the Church of San Pietro in Montorio. It was built in 1612 to mark the end of the Acqua Paola aqueduct, which was restored by Pope Paul V, and it was named after him. It was the first major fountain on the Tiber River's right bank. Really, don't miss it. I didn't know about it, and when I got there, I was amazed. There are people, but it's not too crowded. And behind us, we slowly turn around. One of the most beautiful views in Rome. Climbing up is worth it for both the fountain and city views. We slowly begin our descent, pass by the Church of San Pietro Montorio, and cross the Tiber again. We'll walk a little over 1.5 kilometers to visit Campo di Fiori and take a break. This is a place where, except on Sundays, a market operates in the square from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Thank you for the video.
Time will have passed very quickly. On this day, there are many things to see in all these places. At night, we returned to Trastevere for dinner and to enjoy its charm. We dined at Tornorello, which had been recommended to us. They don't take reservations, so when you arrive, you get in line to wait for me. Celebre was good, and again, walking through Trastevere at night, I would say it's a must. We say goodbye until our final day in Rome, leaving you with these nighttime images. I'm leaving you here with the fifth and last day. Thank you.